Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some of a gaming laptop. This name is Asus gaming laptop. This is the model number 705DT. Stop. Let me say this. Hello guys, welcome to God's Gaming channel. Today we are going to do unboxing of Asus 705DT. It's a really great gaming laptop, or I should say it's a decent budget gaming laptop which comes with nvidia GTX 1654GB GDDR5 graphic card, and also it comes with Amd Ryzen 3350H. So let's get started. So this is our greatest weapon against low FPS gaming, and here we have got 17.3-inch display in this gaming laptop, and the looks of this gaming laptop is really great, as you can see this. So here we have also got some other stuffs which are really important to make this beast a real beast, or it will just like a dead beast, you know. I was talking about power supply, of course. So here we have also got our badge strands in here, book, HTTP manuals. Yeah, just think that what would happen if our school books would be that small. So let's get back to the main thing, laptop. So here we have got our laptop, which looks like a beast in looks, and looks apart, it also have got 17.3-inch display, and it comes with Amd Ryzen 5 3350H processor, and also nvidia GTX 1654GB GDDR5 graphic card, which means that it is totally awesome, man, for playing games. And I don't think so that any other company would be able to give this much value under 60,000 rupees or $1,000. It took 2.5 minutes to boot this laptop, but the amazing thing is that after booting it took almost 1 second or 2 seconds to be stable for playing games. And now I will show you the specification of this laptop with the help of CPU-Z application. Let's dive into the main thing, gaming. Something is missing, isn't it? Okay, now let's play the game. Now we are going to check 4 games, namely Assassin's Creed Syndicate, Assassin's Creed Origins, DMC5 and Prototype 2 on the ultra settings, so that we can test the limits of these laptops.
Get moving.
I need to catch up to V. Fast.
So after testing these 4 games, we came to conclusion that this laptop can play any game from high to ultra settings with a decent frame rates. And also if you want to buy a laptop under 60,000 rupees, I think this is the best option you can get. And also if you want to stay positive and stay motivated all the time, then go and follow Rising Motivation Instagram page. Link will be in the description.